Now, come to this clause 13, right? This is talking about transaction with related parties. Now, before we read this clause, we have already studied about related party in some standards on auditing. What that standard was about? What is the number of that standard? It is in 500 series.
Yeah, ma'am. But got confused.
Between 540 and 560.
550 related.
550, right? It is a related party relationship and transaction. So as per 550, you're already performing audit procedures. Now give extra reporting in case of the companies to whom the CARO 2020 is applicable, right? See, Companies Act doesn't say that it doesn't say that you don't have to make the related party transaction. But if you are making, you have to ensure that you are complying with the requirement of section 177 and 188 of Companies Act 2013. As an auditor in the CARO, we have to report whether they have met or like for all the transaction conducted with the related party, whether they have complied with 177 and 188. And just remember this 177, 188 is related to clause 13 related party.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Second, not just they have to comply with the requirement of Companies Act, they have also these companies also need to make sure that all the disclosure requirement given in the accounting standard, that is your accounting standard 18, the company has made. All details such as transactions are disclosed in the financial statement as per applicable accounting standard. Same as if 550 also requires you to check that whether the entity has made they have identified all the related party, they have disclosed all the related party relationship, they have disclosed all the related party transactions, right? That is what you do learn in SA 550 also. Here also it is same. Easy.
Yes. Yes.
Right?